I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive.
I guess his feelings just got hurt. I mean,
well, he said, I guess he just got his feelings.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
Two most important days of your life is when you were born and when you discover the reason why you were born. I think we were born to be champions. Just like a moth drawn to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover and move on, you watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking, falling onto my knees, and now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. All right, we play with pace. They cannot guard us. Okay?
Mentally and physically, I'm telling you, and it always kind of works out right. It always works out this way. So 15 is mine. Hey, listen. One more, y'all. One more. Every day that we got, man. Everything. Yeah.